Hello mga kabe, it's me Honey Grace. How are you? For today's video, we're gonna be cooking Argentina's corned beef with fried potatoes and capsicum. Please watch the video. And here are the ingredients. First, 1 can of Argentina corned beef, potatoes, potatoes, tomatoes, capsicum, onion, garlic, and some oil. And Ajinomoto monosodium glutamate, also known as veggie. Let's add some oil. Let's fry the potatoes. And cover. Let's wait until it's golden brown. So now let's start sauteing the onions. Once it has already turned golden brown, you can already saute the onions. That's the garlic. This is the onion. I'm just joking. Let's not take this seriously. Let's just wait for a few minutes. And now let's add in the garlic. The onion. Sorry. Onions next. There you go. The onion's already there. And then let's wait for it until it turns golden brown. Let's just wait. And now it's time for us to add the tomatoes. Tomatoes. British accent is tomatoes. Tomatoes, again, tomatoes. Let's cover it. And let's wait again. And now it's time for us to put in the potatoes. Potatoes. Keep on stirring it. You're doing it good, my dear. That's so lovely. And it smells so good. Okay, now it's time for us to put or to add in our star Argentina corned beef. Lovely. Okay. Keep on sauteing it. Keep on sauteing it. Let's hide the temperature. We're doing it good. Lovely. And let's wait for a few minutes. Let's add some water. Water or water in British accent. And let's simmer it until it boils. Let's cover it with a lid. Let's sprinkle some salt. And monosodium glutamate, also known as vetchine. Just a little bit, okay? That's it. And then cover it again. And simmer for 5 minutes. And now let's add in the capsicum. And wait for another 5 more minutes. And this is our finished product. Isn't it lovely? It looks very good. Thank you so much for watching the video and have a good one. Cheers!